Hello and welcome guys. I have found something crazy in the charts that nobody is talking about. Welcome guys to my channel of AMCrypto. My name is Alex and let me show you what I have found in the charts. It's something incredible. Everybody is panicking that we should now sell Bitcoin. I tell you, you should hold on to it and let me show you why. I'm here on the 4 hours chart. Let me switch that to the weekly chart. I'm here on Bitcoin and right now we see here something unfolding that we haven't seen in a while, and that is here based on the MACD and the stochastic right now in highly oversold conditions. And you can see that here the blue line, which is the trend line, is crossing over the red line, which is the signal line, and that is normally a sell signal by textbook. Let me zoom in here. So here, there you see it a little bit better. So, but because we are so close to the bottom of it, to the 0%, this will turn around soon, and then also the price will pick up to the upside again. So what could potentially happen here in Bitcoin? So what could happen is that we will see that the price will come down to the 50 moving average on the weekly, which is sitting around $30,000. We could even wick slightly under it, but I don't think that we will close a weekly candle below it, and then we will start to trend up again. For now, the $33,000 level-ish is holding support on all time frames, which is absolutely fine. So, and as long as that is holding, I'm not concerned, especially as long as we are not creating a lower low under our recent low that we had here at $29,000 and $29,900. So we are keeping the trajectory of creating higher lows here. When I go into a here of higher lows, as you can see, even though we got now a death cross on the daily, there's absolutely no concern for me, because I highly believe that this is a potential fake out. We will see something like this, that the 50 comes up again, the 200 will continue to trend to the side and then slowly pick up, and then we will get here in the next coming days another golden cross. So, but what will happen with Bitcoin in the short term, in the next couple of hours? Let me show you what's gonna happen. So as I just said, the $33,000 level is holding as support right now. We are here on the hourly chart. The hourly candle that we just opened 15 minutes ago here is fighting with that level to stay above it. So once above that level and confirms the $33,000 level again as support, I will personally open a long position and trade. So now if I take it from the support all the way up to the 50 EMA, I believe we will test that EMA all the way up here again. So that is a 7.29% gain that we can get here out of this trade. And if you trade it with 10x on Bybit, you would earn 72.9% in profits, or if you take it with a 25x leverage, you would make roughly 155%. Sorry, I had to think about it. Open a trade once this 1 hourly candle is closing above. There are a lot of other signs that are pointing to that we are going in the short term over the day-to-day to the upside, and there's also again the stochastic RSI is about to give here a buy signal. The blue line, which is the trend line, is crossing above the signal line in red here. That will give us a nice buy signal, and that should also give us momentum to the upside. So here to get, well, it would be actually also not that much. We would just go up to 35,000, then potentially bounce off the 50 again, go down a little bit sideways, and then we have to reassess the situation. But that could be a really, really easy trade where you can make at least 100%. Even if we just go up by 5% all the way to $34,000, that's absolutely fine too. With a 25x leverage, that's 125%. And yeah, we will then close our position there. Now let's see what happens here on the 4 hourly chart. So on the 4 hourly chart, we also got a death cross right here. So, but you see already that the 200 moving average is slowly turning around, and the 50 also wants to go up here again. So I have to clean up down here a little bit. Yeah. So even though we got here a sell signal on the stochastic, let's zoom in on the MACD. Okay, the MACD was also bouncing off the signal line with the blue trend line, which is a bad sign. So here in the immediate short term, on the 4 hours, we could see, once the next 4-hour candle closes, a little bit upside, as I said, based on the hourly chart, that we go up here a little bit. But I don't believe that this is sustainable. Like I said, on the 1 hourly, we might get up to the 50 moving average on the hourly, and then we will go down again. We might retest the $33,000 level once again before we then move up here. So over the next couple of days, it is highly likely that we'll see a lot of choppiness sideways in Bitcoin before we then go up gradually over the next coming weeks. So we just have to have diamond hands and be patient with Bitcoin. So only the weak sellers are selling right now, the panic sellers, but we have diamond hands, we keep holding. If you're an experienced trader, you can use my Bybit link down below and take the trades that I take myself. There's a $1,600 deposit bonus, and otherwise, if you don't like Bybit, you can also use Phemex. And yeah, enjoy the trade and see you in the next one. Bye.